how to create a landing page for your digital product in Mailerlite for free.
Let's make your digital product a waitlist landing page in Mailerlite. So head to your Mailerlite account and then click on Sites in the top menu bar. These are all the landing pages that I've already created. So let me show you the one I created for your first online course in 60 days. A waitlist landing page doesn't have to be anything fancy, anything complicated, basically just a place to collect a name and an email address and for them to submit it to you. You can add a little bit of information about the course. And the cool thing is you can see the layout changes from mobile to a desktop. Okay, so this is my landing page, my waitlist landing page. So let's make you one. So go back to Sites and then the top right hand corner, click Create Landing Page, and then you're going to name it. So let's name it First Digital Product. Next up, you want to add everybody who joins this waitlist to a group so that you can send targeted emails to them. So I have a list of other groups, but let's create a group just for this landing page. And then make sure that we toggle it on so that when anyone joins the waitlist, they'll be added to this group. Next, you are able to choose your landing page. So I have my own templates, but you actually get templates with Mailerlite. So you can choose any single one of these because you can totally customize it. Basically, what you want to make sure you can include here, which you can include with any template, is a sign-up form. A way for someone to join your waitlist by giving you their name and their email address. So this template here is for a webinar, so that'll work because you do need to sign up for a webinar. So we'll use this template, and of course you can customize this entire page. So the part I want to focus on is this sign up portion here. So they already have a place to collect an email address. And if you need to add one, you're just going to click Add Sign Up Form right here. And of course, you can completely customize the sign up form. So if you go over to form, you can change what is asked for, what is required. So they already have email address, so you can also add their name and you can change that to be first name, last name. You can change what you want it to show up as. And finally, success page is the last thing you want to edit. And this is what's going to show up after they sign up for the waitlist, after they give you their name and their email address. So this is the last piece of content you're having with them. This is the last page they've seen once they've joined your waitlist. To more info coming to your email soon. You can change it to thank you. You can add a photo. You can add whatever you want here. When you are done and happy with your landing page and your success page, you're going to hit publish in the top right hand corner, and then from here we are going to go and change the URL of the landing page to something that we want it to be. So let's change it to First DP, First Digital Product. You can then name the page and add some SEO information, but you're going to hit save and publish. And then you are going to copy that URL and save it to a note on your phone for easy access. And then, of course, add it to your link in bio so you can direct people to join your waitlist.
Please hit like and subscribe. If you haven't watched the previous videos, go watch them here. I'll see you then.